Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about University of Exeter. There are full funded PhD scholarships are available for September 2024 entry. Applications are open for full funded PhD starting in 2024. The University of Exeter is offering up to 15 full funded doctoral studentships for September 2024 entry as part of our doctoral training partnership with Engineering Physical Sciences Research Council. The University of Exeter offers a world-class education and research in one of the most beautiful locations in UK. As a Russell Group University, our research makes a difference across the world. We are committed to working with our PhD researchers to make the world greener, healthier and fair. Our doctoral college stimulates sports, sustains a vibrant research and intellectual environment across and between the disciplines for postgraduate and early career researchers. Focusing on investment and development in training our resources and faculties, we provide an outstanding quality experience for those in the early stages of their research careers. The deadline for us to receive your application is 19th February 2024. However, you will need to contact your potential supervisor, and together with a short proposal, you are strongly advised to follow sufficient time to do this. So, how to apply? First, you need to check on this link. Importance information about the DTP studentship. Okay, about the scheme you can read. Studentship funding information. For successful eligible applicants, the studentship comprises an index-linked stipend for up to 3.5 years full-time. Per annum, they will provide up to €18,622 payment of the university tuition fee also, and research training support. They will provide the €5,000 or 3.5 years. So they are providing a very good amount of scholarship. Application process, you need to find the research supervisor, okay, and then funding eligibility, you can take a look. So they first say that if you should be like UK national or like have settled status, have pre-settled status, have indefinite leave to remain or enter, or if you do not meet the nationality or residence requirement to be treated as a home student, you may still apply for limited number of full funded scholarships for international students. So if you are elsewhere from not in the UK, but you can still apply for that scholarship. It doesn't affect your eligibility. And academic entry requirements, you should obtain first or upper class UK honor degree or equivalent qualification gained outside the UK. Applicant with lower or second class degree will be considered if they also have master's degree or sufficient relevant non-academic experience. If you are if English is not your first language, then you need to meet the English language requirements. They have provided requirements here, you can take a look. How to apply? How you can apply is you need to provide these documents: CV, full funded completed application form, letter of application outlining your academic interest, period research experience, transcripts, two reference letters, and if you are not a national of majority, then you need to provide English language proficiency certificate. These documents you need to submitting an application. These are the departments. We welcome multidisciplinary projects with link to emerging and physical sciences. However, if your primary supervisor is from these departments, please be aware that PhD studentships from other funders may be available. Please seek to your proposed supervisor. So you can take a look in these departments. But if your department is not among these department, but you still you can apply for that scholarship, and you can seek the supervisor here in clicking on that link. uh, Equality, diversity, inclusion, information, data sharing. Okay, these are the English language proficiency requirements. So you can take a look here about the requirements, like in which category you fall, then you can take a look there which English requirements they need from you. Yeah, so that's all about the scholarship. And if you have any question related to that scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. I'll add the link of this scholarship in the description. You can take a look. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.